In response to my recent post regarding estradiol and dementia, one of my followers wrote, "Wrong. If this was right, every man would have Alzheimer much earlier than women. If men have tiny amounts of estradiol all life, they would never benefit from the protective effects of this hormone. So they should be the first and big victims of Alzheimer. Try again." That's actually a great question. Let me try again. The answer is men don't live without estradiol. Most people think estrogen is only a female hormone. It isn't. Men make estradiol every single day by converting testosterone into estradiol using an enzyme called aromatase. That conversion happens throughout the body and even inside the brain itself. In fact, many of testosterone's beneficial effects on the brain, bones, and even sexual function are actually mediated by the estradiol it becomes. The difference isn't simply that women have more estradiol than men. The difference is that women experience a sudden and dramatic loss of estradiol at menopause, while men generally experience a much slower gradual decline in testosterone and therefore a slower decline in estradiol. That abrupt hormonal change may be one reason nearly 2/3 of Americans living with Alzheimer's disease are women. Does that prove estradiol prevents Alzheimer's disease? No. The definite long-term clinical trial hasn't been done, but here's what we do know. Bioidentical 17-beta estradiol has been shown in laboratory studies to reduce amyloid plaques, decrease tau tangles, preserve the connections between brain cells, increase the brain growth factor BDNF, and reduce chronic brain inflammation. The biology is remarkably consistent. Now we need the right long-term clinical trials to determine how much those biological effects translate into preventing dementia. If you'd like to see the science behind each of these mechanisms and the published studies that support them, please see my companion post where I review the evidence in much greater detail. The more we understand our biology, the more precisely we can protect our future. Thanks for asking these questions, and thanks for sending your comments. Please share the videos, and I'll see you again next time. I'm Dr. Clifford Gluck.